Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1972 C10 short box Stepside. I got the owner Ron here. He's going to tell us a little bit about him. How are we doing today, Ron?
Good. How are you?
Nice truck. Love the color, bro.
Yeah, it is nice. It
Very nice.
well.
Sitting on the rally. He's got a 350 under the hood. 4-speed.
On the floor. So it's got a wood in the bed.
Okay.
Comes with the cover. There's some extra parts.
Yeah, cool. You got the power steering, right?
Seat cover, an air filter, some wires and stuff.
Miscellaneous stuff.
Fun car. Good to drive. Runs well.
I like the roll pan back there. Really cleans it up nice. LED tail lights. Rear sliding window. Did you get it from out west somewhere or something? It's pretty rust free.
I actually bought it down in Virginia. Excuse me.
Virginia.
So there's hardly any rust, if any.
Yeah, real nice straight body. Custom grille up front. They also did a little bit of metal work to get rid of the front bumper. Really cleans it up nice, you know. It's got like a billet style grille. Real nice stainless surround. 5.7 under the hood. Sounds like it's got a little bit of a lumpy cam in it.
Yep.
MSD ignition, MSD distributor, Blaster 2 coil, Edelbrock valve covers, K&N air filter or type, Edelbrock fuel pump, MSD wires, Competition hooker headers, chrome oil pan. Looks like you put new horns in it. Really nice.
A steal at this price.
Yeah, really good deal. Can you fire it up? Sounds really nice. The header is leading that to the dual exhaust. Double bumper car front there, probably a 650. Nice high-rise manifold. Great. No leaks anywhere. Looks like you got a 650 carburetor, double pumper, a Holly. Love it. Nice big lofty bench. We do have a brand new seat cover that's included. Seat belts, rear sliding window. The seat that's included, the cover is a Deluxe Interior. Showing 73,000, 20 miles. Got an added tack on here. Good oil pressure. Step aside. Cool. Paint's really nice too. It's like a blue metallic. Deluxe door panels. The seat covers match those. a Chevelle, like a Fathom Blue. Nice truck, Ron.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Seiko.
Yeah, it's cool, man. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.